How to reduce your photo size suitable for visa application. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So you just want to go to your photo and picture resizer. If you don't have it yet, you can download it in Google Play or App Store, whatever operating system you're using, and then you just open it up. You go to select photos. If it's a photo, definitely that's what we're going to do in this video. Then either you take a photo or resize, then you can check your resized photos already and stuff like that. If you want to buy premium, so those are my resized photos. Some of them I had already resized them off camera. So now I'm just going to show you another photo for this tutorial. I'm just going to use a random photo somebody sent for me. They wanted to apply for the American visa or green card. So I just wanted to record this. Probably someone would need it in future. Okay, so you just select the photo and then place it right here. As you can see, it will bring for you the size. The original size is 1080 by 1080, so it's a squared photo, as you can see, but the required one is, I think, by 600 by 600. Okay, so you want to go to select dimensions, and it's percentage, there's 25, there's 40%, and stuff like that. But if you want to be more specific, you just want to come here to custom. As you can see, there's width, height, and stuff like that. So then there is also file size and stuff. Okay, so you click on customize and you'll check, you'll put in exactly what you want to, what size you want to get. Okay, as a result, as you can see, define width and height has to be the same. That is the requirement for the other. Is it 1200? Yeah, I think so. Or 600. I think it's 600 by 600. Yeah. So preserve aspect ratio. If I don't know, you can click into that. Yeah, if you want to preserve the original Gondia. So resized photo, it is so easy, fast. It's a click away. So if you're in free mode of this app, you can just watch the video, the ads, and then get your photo downloaded and stuff like that. If you're on premium, you'll get away with the ads. I mean, you'll not see the ads. So you can see that you can rename it for you to be able to distinguish it from other photos in your mobile phone. And then you just want to name it. Let's say just put a photo 600 by 600 or my resized photo. Okay, so yeah, this person's name, I just put it there and stuff like that. So it's really easy. Please guys, let me know if you've tried this. Rename fail, cannot rename the photo. Okay, why? We don't know. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. What other resize apps do you know? I had even recorded one for video. Let me know if there's anyone who wants to see how to resize a video, like video compressor. Okay, how to do that. Like if your video is bigger and then you want to put it somewhere and they need like a smaller version. Okay, so yeah, you let me know, then I can do that video hopefully soon or later. And then if you want to connect with us on our Telegram, link is on in the description of this video or in the comments and stuff like that. So you just connect with us and let me know if you have a personalized question or any information that you'd like to know. Yeah, I like to connect with people, and if I can solve your question, that would be great, or solve your problem in this matter, anything concerning Facebook, YouTube channel, trading, stuff like that, creating account verifications, and all that detailed thing. Okay, so please let me know if you have any questions again. Okay, and like this video. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so, and let's link up in the next video soon or later. Turn on that bell notification. See you next time. Bye.